How do I redeem an Apple gift card for in-game purchases?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to redeem an Apple gift card for in-game purchases. If you've received an Apple gift card and you're wondering how to use it to enhance your gaming experience, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to redeem your Apple gift card and make those exciting in-game purchases. So, let's get started.
Accessing the App Store.
The first step in redeeming your Apple gift card is to access the App Store. The App Store is where you'll find a wide variety of games and apps for your iOS device. To access the App Store, tap on the App Store icon on your device's home screen.
Navigating to the Redeem page.
Once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down and select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't done so already.
Entering the gift card code.
In this section, you'll need to enter the gift card code to redeem its value. Carefully scratch off the label on the back of the gift card to reveal the code. It's important to handle the card with care to avoid damaging the code. Once you have the code ready, enter it into the Enter Your Code field on the Redeem page.
Confirming the redemption.
After entering the gift card code, tap on the Redeem button to proceed. This will initiate the redemption process, and the App Store will verify the code. If the code is valid and hasn't been previously redeemed, the App Store will confirm the redemption and display the amount added to your Apple ID balance.
Making in-game purchases.
Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Apple gift card. Now, let's make those in-game purchases. Launch the game you want to make a purchase in and look for the in-game store or the option to buy additional content. Once you've found the desired item, tap on the Buy or Purchase button, and if you have sufficient balance in your Apple ID, the purchase will be completed. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to redeem an Apple gift card for in-game purchases. Remember to keep your gift card code secure and only purchase from trusted sources. Now you can enjoy unlocking new levels, buying special items, or getting extra lives in your favorite games. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials. Happy gaming!